Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to set up a Thule roof rack. So what you're going to need is the Thule 710601, which are the podium feet. And then you're going to need the fit kit 186007. And then you can either go up 3 inches or down 3 inches, or get the 128 centimeter rails. So these are actually 118s. Hopefully this works out. So what you're gonna do is take the foot here, pop that guy in like so,
and then you're gonna take this guy and put it onto that.
That's good. Alright, so we've got a fully assembled piece here for our X3 M40i. I'm going to try to put this on now. Alright, so I'm going to try to do this without set my car too much. Show you guys. That's good. Look good. Oh my god, please. Oh my god. Guys, I just had a moment right there, because these rails are the shorter ones. Alright guys, so this is my 2022 X3 M40i. And I freaking love this thing. It is amazing. It does everything I want, and it goes fast. And I can romp it, I can load it up with shit, and it looks sick. So like, people are, oh, why would you buy an SUV? I don't know, because I freaking constantly just have like so much junk that I'm like hauling around and stuff. And we actually took this down to Pikes Peak Raceway and towed the carbon trailer with the X3. Right, so parts needed for this will be the Thule flush rail kit 710601, the fit kit, which is like all these little pieces, 186007. And then the rails are the WingBar Evo 127 black or silver, 711320. So this is a flush rail right here, okay? So some of them have a spot you can like put them in. These ones just slide. There's like no holes, there's nothing to screw in, it just clamps on there. So that being said, I had some issues because I had bought these guys, which are the 460Rs, and I thought they were the podium feet. Very similar. This one has a lock in the middle, this one has a lock on the side. So that's how you can usually tell. Trying to save you guys some frustration here like I did. And then I had gotten a 118 rail off Facebook Marketplace, and like it would have fit, but when I clipped it in, it was just barely too short by like 1 inch. So ended up having to buy all the new shit anyways. Here we go. Very well packaged. All right, so what's first here? I should probably put the feet together. So how you do that, it comes like this, okay? What you're gonna do is pop this guy off. Okay. So that's the piece you have. And then you're going to insert A. Sorry, I'm trying to get it to where you guys can see. So, A, like so. And then you're gonna want to put this guy, the foot pad, B, and it goes like this. Okay. All right, and then you're gonna grab this one here and put it on like that. And you're gonna grab one of these little guys. And there's a Allen to tighten it and a threaded portion. So screw that in there, and it says 2 turns. So 1, 2, done.
So easy, you can put the whole thing together with one hit. Right, clip that in. Done.
All right, step 1, put the strip in. So you kind of gotta like rip these two guys apart. So it looks like the smooth one goes in first, this way. Do you slide it in or do you press it in? Let's see. Can you slide? I think you just press it. All right, I'm gonna have to set the phone down for a second. All right, so that one's all locked in. Now, this one, arrow's facing forward. I think that's right. Good enough for government work. Okay, so we got all those guys pressed in. That's done. Now what's next? Yes. Okay. Gotta do that on the other one still, but here, we're gonna slide in. Oh, we got Aeroblade WingBar Evo. That's what we got. Okay, WingBar Evo. Flip it over and slide that thing in. Tab up on the outside. Okay. So, just like this. Maybe? Oh, I see. Okay. I'm dumbass. Alright. Slide that guy in. Oh, okay, yeah. Slide the foot on and put the cap on. Okay. Next, it looks like clean the rails on your car. And put it on 700 millimeters. I don't know about you, but I'm only doing this once. So I'm gonna really get up in there. Make sure it's nice and clean. So we want the Thule facing forward. And we're just gonna, this is gonna be tough with one hand, but I'm gonna show you. You might have to loosen this a little, like almost all the way out, depending on how tight it is. But it should just sit right there. Look at that. It's not like that, it's not good. Check the other side. Good. This one walks up underneath this ridge, and the other one just clamps on the flat part on the other side when you tighten this. So the other side, just pull this out a bit further. Okay. Let's look at that photo where they fit them. Alright, so looks like up the ridge, just about right where it starts to flatten out. So up the ridge, just right there. I'm gonna use this line here as a guide. I think it's pretty even. This one needs to come back up. You know it, brother. Always. How you doing? Minus 50%. Driver's side. Interesting. Let's take a look real quick. See if that looks even. It looks pretty even. Alright, so just go from side to side after you get all lined up and slowly tighten it. Don't tighten too much on one side or the other. Go like 4 times, 6 times maybe, and then once you get to the point where you're getting it close, it's gonna click once, twice, and I don't know, but you guys know I'll probably just do 3. And then the last thing here is the cover. This guy on, and one of these. All right, so I just looked up 700 millimeters, and it is 2 feet and 3.6 inches. So, all right. Caps on. All right, I'm gonna have to adjust these front ones tomorrow. They're off center, but I'm tired. I want to go eat and go to bed. Seems like they're on there pretty good though. All right, we are all done with the install. I have some roof racks. Guys, we got the tent on the roof. This thing was a bitch to lift up here, so I'd highly recommend getting 3 people to make this thing happen. Then you're just gonna slide that guy in, slide it over there, and oh shit, I gotta slide the fucking inner ones in. Damn it. So look, you gotta make sure that it's aligned this way, that it's aligned this way. There's a locating pin here So you can't go past that point. So make sure that your roof rails are aligned with the distance between those two pins, because otherwise you're gonna have to do what I did and put the tent up here, and then you're gonna have to lift it up and move the rails at the same time, and then you're gonna scratch up your rails and it's gonna be a shit show. So just do it that way. All right. Okay, here we go. Oh God. I think you're gonna make it. Yeah, you're gonna make it. Go, go, go. Just go, just go. All right, guys, ready for adventure. Nikki! Living in downtown Denver. All right, yeah, you're good. Just go slow when you come up to this concrete one, but I think you're solid. Go slow, go slow. Keep going, keep going. Just creep in. Oh my God. We made it. Somehow we did it. All right, we're all set up. Yeehaw.